Hey y'all, it's your girl Miss Mary. Welcome to Mary's Vlog. So today y'all, I'm having a little mukbang on this Sunday. I believe today is the 24th. Don't quote me on that, I could be wrong on the day. But it's Sunday. It's like 4 something in the afternoon. So I have me some Chinese food, chow mein and teriyaki chicken I'm eating right now. Y'all, I'm getting a little thankful for food, unless my body is not paying me. All right, y'all. I have to come up here. I'm talk to y'all. Well, it's dry. I'm gonna put this soy sauce on there. Hold on. Yeah. Oh, man, it's kind of dry. Don't. This chow mein. Yeah. I'm gonna have a little better. I don't have nothing. I don't have nothing to drink. Y'all, I'm hungry. I haven't eaten at all today. I need something to drink. And I got water right here in front of my face. But I don't want that. But I need it, but I don't want it. And it's hot. So I don't want that. 1 minute. Got me some juice. Got me some fruit punch, y'all. Alright. I'm back, y'all. Alright. That's better. So today is this Sunday afternoon, going into the evening. I think I put a vlog up about what happened to me yesterday. About what happened to me yesterday when I was delivering. My first delivery from Grubhub yesterday. I have a vlog on what happened, so if y'all didn't go check that out, go check that out on that vlog. But today, I said I'm going to work. So today I did not go to church. My son had to be at work at 10:30 this morning, so I was rushing to get him to work this morning. I didn't go. So my thing is, my pastor, when he seen me on last Saturday after Sunday, he asked me, like, why you not coming to church? And what's the problem? Like, what's going on with you? And I have to let him know, like, Pastor, my son work on Sundays, and when he work, it's times where I have to be at church, and I don't feel comfortable coming to church and knowing I have to leave during service. So I prefer to just not come to church. So, you know, because I feel that I'm a distraction up moving during church. I don't like to move during church. I don't even get up and go to the bathroom. I don't want to miss nothing during church, you know. So I say if he have to go during a time where I need to be at church, then I just won't go, you know. Even though that's crazy, but I'm like, if I would have went, church start at 9 o'clock. If I would have went for just an hour, I would have, you know, and then came back, I would have missed the preaching, you know? Like, I just don't feel comfortable getting up, walking out, coming back. And I'm like, interrupting. I can't do that. I know there's a lot of people that do that and feel that that's, you know, but I'm like, no, if I'm leaving and I got to come back, it's doing too much, you know, so. Mm-mm. Teriyaki. I make the this do a little better. So yeah, that. So I took him to work and but I didn't. I already need to wash my clothes. I actually washed yesterday, but somebody took my clothes out of the. I put my clothes, washed my clothes, put them in the dryer. And my clothes were not dry all the way. Somebody took my clothes out the dryer to put their stuff in the dryer, and instead of them, and they didn't put my stuff back into the dryer to dry. So my stuff sat on my kitchen table all night. So I had to rewash my clothes because I had that smell on it. I rewashed my clothes this morning, and now they're in the dryer drying. So I'm like, whack. But yeah, so one of my daughters went to the park with their friends. So they and then she just called and said she went to her friend's house because they're closer to the park. So they over there. So about 5:30 I'll be calling saying I'm coming to pick them up, and so I can drop her little friends off at home, and she can get dropped off here so I can clock on. I'm doing Grubhub for 2 hours today. Hopefully I can make do enough. So meat is kind of tough. They cooked it too long. They cooked it too long. Mm-hmm. Mm-mm. What's that it? What's that it? I'm not happy about this. Yeah. I should have went to somewhere else. I'm not happy about this. The meat has been cooked longer than expected. It's tough. And the noodles are kind of dry. But I'm hungry. I'm gonna eat it. I'm about to cook, y'all. I could have waited until I cook my food. I'm about to cook my dinner. I'm about to fry up some chicken. And I'm thinking debating between macaroni and cheese, rice aroni, or white rice. I think I want rice. Mm-mm. Oh, maybe I ain't stirring it enough. Yeah, so I'm gonna cook. I'm gonna vlog me cooking. I'm not, I have legs and thighs, so I'm not cooking in my air fryer. Because the chicken is, that's gonna take too long. I'm cooking in my big old skillet, frying it up. And, yeah, I probably make some white rice and vegetables. Mm-hmm. I should have got the rice. Probably would have been better. I went to my grocery store, it's Food Co, and which they call it Kroger's, other places, but it's called Food Co here. But they have a Chinese restaurant inside, and my daughter wanted me to go get her something to eat. So I'm like, she was like, okay, I want the chow mein, and she liked the orange chicken. So I'm in there, and I'm like, well, I guess I'll give me something too. Fine. So this is my second time ordering from them. The first time it was pretty good. This time, I don't know. This time it. This is bad. This ain't it, y'all. This is bad. This is tough. This meat's been cooked way too long. This meat is tough. I mean tough. Not good. This meat is tough. The noodles is partially dry. I'm hungry. And I don't want my money to seem like it went down the waist. Mama, you're not eating it. Yeah, look. They cooked it too long. What's that? This is bad. Look. They cooked this way too long. Look at this. This is ridiculous. This chicken. I'm disappointed with this one. It's not bad. I'm disappointed. Oh, yeah. I don't even want the meat no more. It's just hard and dry. They cooked it way too long. I should have went somewhere else. That's what I get. But these noodles are okay. I eat the noodles, but I can't do the meat no more. That's it. Yeah, I'm done. I'm done with this meal, y'all. So, I'm done with that meal. Seriously. But I want to come in here and say that I am going to work real hard for 2 hours today. I'm about to cook my dinner. So I'm going to come back. I'm about to make another video with me cooking. So stay tuned for that one. And then I'm going to make another one with me doing my delivery from Grubhub. So hopefully I can get 3 today. Y'all, I had to come in and say, like yesterday, orders was coming in slow, whatever. I meant to, and I was on the block from I think 4:30 to 5:30, and 5:30 had passed, and I meant to go on there, and I was thinking, I meant to go on there and make sure that I was unavailable for the block. So when I looked up and noticed that a new order had came in, so I'm like, okay, it was KFC. So I'm like, okay, I accepted it or whatever. And my daughters called me like, oh, Mama, you need to come get us. Like a situation had went down at the mall. So I'm like what? So I'm like, okay. So I had to, I needed to get to them like right away because of the whole situation over there that I need to attend to quickly. So I had to call Grubhub and let them know that I had a situation and I need to drop this order. I need to, you guys to reassign this order to someone else because I can't do it. And they're like, all right. So I had to call, they had to transfer me over to driver specialist to get it reassigned. So now my thing it says I got a penalty against me for doing that. This is actually the second time I did that. It's my second time that I did it, so I gotta stop doing that. That's why I don't want to take blocks. Neither. That's why I prefer just go on there and just put I'm available to drive. And then, yeah. That's why, yeah. Because if I'm not able to, something come up, emergency, something come up with my kids, whatever, I gotta attend to my kids. I can't just like, oh, my kids gotta wait and I need to do this. But everything was okay with the kid. I got him and everything was alright or whatever. But I had to reassign that order. But yeah, so this video is like 20 minutes long already. So I'm gonna hit y'all back on the next one. I'm about to do a cooking vlog, and stay tuned for the next video. All right, like, comment, and subscribe again. And then welcome to Mary's vlog, and thanks for watching.